how to fix text notification sound not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn on notification sound. Open settings, scroll down, click on notifications, click on app notifications. Here you will see app. Select app that you want to turn on notification. After selecting app, click on app. Now here you will see allow notification, and if you want to turn on notification, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, allow notification will be turned on from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear app, data and cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps. Here you will see apps. Select app that you want to clear data and cache. After setting app, click on app, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache or clear data option, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache, and if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear data, this app data will be clear from your phone. This after that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. This is how you can fix text notification sounds not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.